Welcome back, everyone. It's time for the ThawarPower segment with our very own lovely Shireen, who's our legal expert. So Shireen, today we're going to be talking about 601A. Tell us a little bit about 601A. What exactly is it?
Sure. 601A is another one of President Obama's immigration reforms. It was passed in 2012, in the end of the summer. It is a wonderful, wonderful reform. It's helped so many families. This is one where if you entered illegally through the border, and we call that without inspection, that's the legal term, EWI, you can now apply for your green card. If you have a U.S. citizen spouse, child, or sibling, and the child must be 21 years old, and if you have an approved I-130, an I-130 is an immediate relative petition, if you're not familiar. And once the I-130 is approved, we can then file the 601A waiver. And in this waiver, you're asking the USCIS to forgive, 1, your illegal entry, and 2, your illegal presence in the United States. And then you have to show some hardship. What would be the hardship? If you had to leave your USC spouse behind, or your USC child, or your USC siblings, or maybe even your USC parents. Because a lot of times this person may be the caretaker, or maybe the breadwinner in the family, or something of that sort. And so to promote family unity, and to keep everyone together, and not separate everyone for years on end, because before you would have to go to the embassy and claim your green card, and that could take years, because you're subject to a 10-year bar, because you entered illegally and because you stayed in the U.S. for so long. But now we have the 601A waiver, and so that's the beauty of it.
Well, that sounds fantastic, and I'm sure it's applicable to a lot of South Asian families?
Absolutely. The 601A waiver has helped thousands and thousands of U.S. South Asian families. In fact, and we have processed many, many cases in this area. And it is something that, you know, it's so gratifying to help a family with the situation, because they came in such a predicament, crossing the border, either through Mexico, Canada, or through maybe even Cuba. And now we're able to fix the situation. And before they were so scared and living undercover, not having a driver's license, or not being able to, you know, work in a legal manner. And it's very scary to live like that, not being able to even do a simple thing like open a bank account. And now they can do all these things.
Is there any time limit to this?
Well, this process will take about a year to go through. But there's no time limit in the sense there's no expiration to the program at this time.
And remember, you can ask your legal queries to Sharon here, and she's here to serve the community.